Hello, myself Tanmay Bagadia from Group 318. Today I will explain about the places of biophysics in natural sciences. The main aim of biophysics is to understand the biological process through physical principles using methods like molecular modeling, imaging technology, and spectroscopes. The main goal of biophysics in natural sciences. First, to understand the biological mechanism, like how biomolecules interact, the functions in living organisms like protein and nucleic acids. Second, structural analysis. It aims to determine structure of biological macromolecules using techniques like X-ray, crystallography, and NMR, providing insights into their functions. And the third one is mechanobiology. Biophysics explore how mechanical forces affect the biological process, contributing to the fields like cell biology and genetic engineering. The fourth is energy transformations. It investigates how energy is converted in biological systems such as photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Fifth is modeling biological systems. These are biological develops mathematical models to predict biological behaviors and understand the complex systems. Now we will discuss about the methods used in biophysics. First is spectroscopy. Its applications are medical researches, biotechnology, environmental science, etc. Now we will focus on key topics in biophysics. It includes the membrane biophysics, molecular biophysics, cellular biophysics, neurobiophysics. Biophysics also provides the insights into diseases, drug design, and new technologies for medical applications. Now I will explain about why biophysics is important in medicines. In addition to discovery of DNA and its structure, biophysics techniques were also used to create vaccines, develop imaging techniques such as MRI, CT scans to help doctors to diagnose diseases and create new treatment methods such as dialysis, radiation therapies, and pacemakers. Here are some examples of biophysics. The main examples of biophysics are fluid dynamics of blood flow, gas physics of respirations, radiations in diagnostic and treatments. Now I will explain about the branches of biophysics. The first branches are molecular biophysics. It is the most developed branch of biophysics. Second are mathematical biophysics. It is also known as the theoretical biophysics. Here is the behavior of living organism is explained on the basis of mathematical and physical theories. The third one is physiological biophysics. It is also known as classical biophysics. It deals with the physical mechanism for explaining the behavior of living organism. The fourth is radiation biophysics. The study of ionizing radiation such as alpha, beta, gamma, X-ray, UV ray on living organism and its effect are concerned with radiation biophysics. The biological response are manifested either in form of cellular death of tissue or somatic or genetic mutations in living organisms.